Hey guys, me and my guys. Today I got in 2 packages from Deliteful Boutique, and why did I just do 4? I meant 2. I'm sorry about my hair also, and it is over $110 worth of squishies from them, and you do not know, it took like more than 10 business days or 9 or like, and it came like really early this morning, even though we've been getting usually like our packages around like literally 6 or 5 in the afternoon, but we got at 1 o'clock. And why did I say morning? I don't know, but let me shut up so we can start the video so it's not forever. So let's get started. Here's the first package I got, and I only ordered this one in it, and it's the Eye Bloom Jumbo Strawberry Cheesecake. This is my first ever Eye Bloom squishy. It is so soft, and I'm going to get out of packaging. Packaging is pretty normal. It says, I am a Tokyo squishy, strawberry cheesecake. This cheesecake is rich, fluffy, soft, and smells so sweet. Since it's super soft, you'll never get tired of touching it. Eye Bloom staff recommended 5 stars. Eye Bloom Tokyo, and then it just has all of this in the back, which I cannot read, and you probably cannot see that because my lighting is super bad, as always. This is so big and super detailed. It smells so good, but it's not pearlescent. It's pretty it's just a bit shiny, but it's pretty dull. It just smells so good though. Oh my gosh. And on to the next squishy. You might be wondering why I'm holding up this bag. I clipped my extra for my cheesecake on here, and it's this little golden bun with these little gingerbread girls on it. One is pink, the one is like regular, and then it has the Deliteful Boutique on there. Smells pretty good. It is definitely a bit dirty, and it is golden. It is so shiny. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not getting in the camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one because I was just so lazy to unclip my squishies. So yeah, let's just move on. Okay, I'm sorry about the lighting change, but I think it looks so much better because when I just started filming this squishy, it came all gray. But here it is. It's the Puni Maru. No, this is creamy candy. Oh my! This is my first ever creamy candy squishy. This packaging is so amazing and cute. Like, look. Now this squishy I have the girl. It's pretty dense. It's not that so rising. It does smell like a waffle cone, like exactly. It's so rich. And then it has this weird little hard metal thing in there. I have the girl one, and now I'm gonna show you my others. And if you didn't know, I'm going from smallest to biggest, and this is basically my own squishy package, so yeah. Okay, here it is. It's the Eye Bloom Jumbo Peach. Okay, the packaging is brand new, and I'm gonna take her out of her beautiful packaging. And then, last step. Oh. This, I'm so happy to own this. This literally feels so crazy. Feels like, it feels so soft. It is amazing. It feels just so weird and different than any other squishy I've ever felt. I got the pink, as you can tell. It smells so good. It is humongous. Like, I'm in love with this peach. It feels like it's going to pop. There's so much air in it, and it's so rising. And before I keep talking about this like forever and ever, I need to move on. but I don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna move on. The next squishy I have is this. It's my first ever Pet Pet Zoo. Is the Jumbo Pet Pet Sheep. This is the series. Packaging is so cute. This was designed by the helicopter, and so I'm super excited. And then this was designed by Babel Bilk, I think. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. And the packaging is so cute. Like, look. It says, "Don't eat me. Sheep 100%, fat 100%, sweetness 100%, refreshing 100%, cuteness 100%, yumminess 100%, and squishiness 100%." And then at the top it said nutrition information. And it's so cute. Then it shows the 2 other designs. Got the Berrylicious one. This kind of feels like the pom-pom sheep. It is so big, like, compared to my head. It's so soft. It has the little gentleman fox, I guess. Super soft, super rising. And then it has like the lava cone at the bottom. Like, this is goals. This is everything. Oh my gosh. I'm shook. It is so big. Little feet. Oh my gosh. It is just like the best squish package ever. This is my dream come true. Oh my gosh. If you did not know, I'm getting another squish package in from eBay. So I will be posting a video on that soon. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show that the little extra that they gave me for this package. Here I have the last squishy I got, and it is this cinnamon roll Sanrio donut. Look at my hand. Do we all see my hand? I don't know if you can see this, but my hand is covered in glitter. Like, you can't see it, but my hand is literally just covered in glitter. I don't know how it happened. It's like the squishy. Okay, but this is the Sanrio cinnamon roll donut. Now the tag is super cute. It's in Japan and I can't read it, and the inside is so cute. And I'm sorry if I'm really close to the camera. It's gonna break my keychain. I'm so lazy. Super soft, definitely not slow rising, but I still love it so much. So yeah, let me go with the outro. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did not know, I did just post on Instagram that my like little Delightful boutique picture. I was not able to get all of them in there, unfortunately. Yeah, because there's so many. And thank you guys for watching this video so much. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, turn on the notifications. Please support me. I'm really trying to get my feet off the ground on YouTube. It's been my dream. To become, if you subscribe, then you will become the Squisher Squad. Hashtag Squisher Squad. My Instagram is Simon Squishy Queen 301, and then my Musical.ly is Simon Squishy Queen, or Simon Squishy Queen 301. So you guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye. I love you guys so much. Mwah.